So good. Oh my god, the seagulls! Ah! Oh my god, they are so close. We are at Winger Chic Beach in Gloucester, Massachusetts, and it's the most beautiful beach I've ever been to in the US.
What?
Yeah. Where else have you gone?
Sunset Cliffs.
But we didn't go to the beach.
Santa Monica was pretty good too.
Well, I've never been there. So far for myself, the prettiest beach that I've been to. Okay, fine. Today we went to Dunkin' and we got a $5 meal deal, which was a medium coffee and then 2 wake-up wraps. We had the Chipotle bacon wrap. Chipotle bacon hash brown wrap, and it was really good.
Are you nervous?
I'm nervous. Whenever I do this, I just don't make any sense. Vlogging,
Yeah.
just speaking is so hard. So today was the best day that I had in a really long time. I think work and life has been a little stressful these days. So today I took a beach day and it was very much needed. The weather was really nice, around mid 80s. The water was a little cold, but nothing you can't fix with a little bit of acclimating, if you guys know what I'm talking about on TikTok. Yeah, it was really nice. And then afterwards we went to this pub / grill in Salem for, of course, seafood. We got a fried scallop platter and a lobster roll, which was great. And the prices are honestly super great too, especially compared to normal Boston prices. But yeah, now I'm home. I showered, I ordered some food. I got sushi, and I honestly plan to rot on my couch for the rest of the night. I'm really tired from going out to the beach. I'm probably just gonna watch some TV shows. I know I need to catch up on The Summer I Turned Pretty, and then I think I'm also gonna binge watch Friends because I'm watching that right now. But food should be here any minute. Ooh. Okay, so I got 2 pieces of unagi, and then I got 3 rolls. This one is the Alaska, which I think is salmon, cucumber, and avocado. And then I got a spicy salmon and then also a spicy tuna. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Big bite. Okay, today we have pop-up bagels. We have the extra hot honey peach schmear, and then we also have their scallion schmear as well. They had a grand opening at Assembly Row, so we want to go check them out. For bagels, we got plain salt and everything. Just open this up right now. I think we should start with the extra hot honey. Ooh. This smells so good. So the beauty of pop-up bagels is that you rip and dip. So you just, like that. Rip off another piece. And then just dip. And that's a perfect bite. Low-key, that might be too much, but cheers. Mmm. Mmm. There's real peaches in here. Mmm. Happy purchase. Remember in Ratatouille when she was teaching Linguini that a good bread has this sound?
I don't remember.
Oh.
I believe it.
Mmm.
I know.
Mmm. It's way better than the Trader Joe's one, in my opinion.
I would hope so.
Everything bagel, which I know will go great with the scallion cream cheese. Oh my, oh my.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
You're supposed to embrace this. Right. Cheers. Oh. Mmm. Normally don't eat those early. Was it worth the trip?
There's a lot of cream cheese though.
It's so pretty. It's like art. The speckles. All done. Today's a very exciting day because I got my Nespresso order. As a natural next step, of course, I had to order some new pods and new flavors. I got a couple of the coffee flavors, and I also got some double espresso pods in here as well. But let's open her up. Oh my god! Aren't they so pretty? I should have ordered a sixth one so that it's all symmetrical, but it's okay. So, I got, let's see, I got 3 double espresso pods. I got the Skuro one. I think I had this in the trial package and that was pretty good. Then we also got the Dolce option as well. And then we also got the Chiara, I think I'm pronouncing that right. So these 3 are all of our double espresso pods. So I think there's 10 in each, so 30. Good uses. And then I also got an iced Legaro iced coffee. This one's really good too, and I love a good iced coffee all year round, so this was a must. And then we also got a regular cortado iced coffee because that is, of course, a classic. And then, we got free pods. This is so cute. Okay, I'll open this later. And then these are the most exciting ones. We have the weekend collab. Love the packaging on this, very cool. And then this one is the togetherness blend. Very excited to try this. I might try this out today. And then I'm very excited for this one. It's the white chocolate and strawberry pod. You know, this is just gorgeous. And then I love white chocolate, I love strawberry, so I knew I had to get this. For the last one, I got the Blue Bottle collab as well, the Nola coffee, and I heard a lot of good things about this one, so very excited to try this as well. That was everything. I have been wanting to really use my Nespresso machine now that I have my coffee corner, so let's go and make some coffee.
It's not cared about anyone else. It tastes very fresh, very real fresh. It's just
Yeah, I haven't made this in like 2 years since we were in Everett. I quite enjoyed it.
Mm.
It's not